Did you know that there are over 10,000 kanji characters in Japanese? This is pure terror. Seriously, just absolute horror! I mean, who looked at 10,000 characters and thought, yeah, this seems reasonable? It's not at all! If you're thinking, why am I even trying to learn this language? Kanji is hard. I hate kanji. I feel you. I really do. But take a deep breath. There is some good news. Out of all those 1,000 characters, there's a much smaller set called Yo-Yo Kanji. The Japanese actually use in daily life, like newspapers, books, signs, and official documents. If you master Yo-Yo Kanji, you can handle over 95% of everyday reading in Japanese. It's a key point where you can actually start using Japanese in daily life. So how many Yo-Yo Kanji are there? About 2,000 characters. See, much better than 10,000, right? Wait, hold on. 2,000? How long would it even take to memorize that much? Do you really have to learn them all? Do you really, absolutely, need to memorize kanji? Well, here's the answer. Learning kanji makes everything so much easier. Let me show you an example. Look at this sentence written only in Hiragana. Can you read it? Ha 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 to waraimashita. Can you tell what that means? Is it ha 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 laughing? Or maybe something about your mom? It's confusing, right? But when you add kanji, everything becomes clear. Haha wa ha 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 to waraimashita. Now you can instantly see mother laugh. See how much easier that is to read? It's the same when you text a Japanese friend. If you only use hiragana, your message can be really hard to read. There's no clear separation between words. Kanji shows where words begin and end. But wait a second. Does that mean you have to memorize all 2,000 kanji perfectly? Relax. Even Japanese people don't remember every single one. And even if they can read them, they often cannot write them by hand. That's kind of embarrassing as a Japanese. But thanks to smartphone, autocorrect. Shocking, right? But that's the truth. And here's the most important part. Even if you don't know the exact pronunciation, you can often guess the meaning just by looking at kanji. For example, not sure what ama-oto means? If you know that ame means rain and oto means sound, you can easily guess that ama-oto refers to the sound of rain. Simple, right? This is a huge advantage when you're reading. So, how to stop being scared of kanji? Many people hate kanji. It's so hard to memorize so many complex characters with different reading. It just feels overwhelming, especially for beginners. So, how can you make kanji less terrifying? Let's talk about 4 tips. Tip 1. Learn the radicals. Radicals are the small parts that make up a kanji. They often hint at the meaning. For example, if you see the fish radicals, sakana hen, the character probably has something to do with the fish. The water radical, sanzui, means it's related to water. Learning just a few radicals can help you understand dozens of kanji. Tip 2. Learn kanji with vocabulary. When you learn one kanji, also learn a few common words that use it. In this way, you don't need to memorize all kanji readings. Just remember how a word is pronounced. For example, this kanji means life or birth, sensei. So this kanji can be read as sei. Also, tanjoubi can also read as jo, birthday. By doing this, you remember the character faster and see how it connects to real words. That's actually one of the reasons why today I want to introduce you guys an app that helps you learn kanji and vocabulary. It's MochiKanji Learn Japanese. In MochiKanji, you can choose from a wide range of courses based on your interests and goals. The app offers everything from LPT levels N5 to N2, textbook-based courses like Minna no Nihongo and Genki, to specialized topics like IT and nursing. So, whether you're a complete beginner or already an advanced level, there's something here for you. I think a lot of viewers have already downloaded MochiKanji, but for those who haven't yet, I'll show you a little bit of what's inside.
私
Each lesson in MochiKanji is easy to finish with around 10 to 15 words or kanji. Every Japanese word comes with flashcards, audio, images, pronunciation, example sentences, and interactive quizzes. This helps you absorb the language gradually and effectively without any need for cramming.
学生
Like I said, studying kanji together with vocabulary is an effective way to learn. In MochiKanji, each kanji is taught with example words that include it. And it's also fun that you can learn by writing each one out yourself. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
学生
Now I will introduce the best and unique feature of MochiKanji. After learning some lessons, the app will calculate and remind you to revise the learned words at the best time called golden time. This feature is based on the spaced repetition system, a learning method of reviewing words at intervals. So you just need to learn kanji and words and wait for golden time to review your lessons. Thanks to its automatic smart notification, it is effortless to learn and memorize 1,000 words and kanji in a month effectively if you follow its learning path seriously. What's more, every word you learn is tracked using a 5-level memorization system. Starting from level 1, just learn, to level 5, well memorized. You can easily check the current level of each word in your digital notebook, so you always know which ones need more review. Oh, and you can search new words on the J Dictionary of the app and save them for review later. So everything to learn kanji in Japanese in here. MochiKanji Learn Japanese. Just open your App Store or Google Play, searching MochiKanji Learn Japanese. You guys also can experience this app on the website. Tip 3. Use mnemonics. Mnemonics are little stories or visuals that help you remember the meaning of kanji. Some kanji look super complicated at first, but when you break them down apart and attach a funny or memorable story, they suddenly become way easier to remember. For example, take kanji yasumu, which means rest. It's made of hito and ki. Just imagine a person resting under a tree. Easy and interesting, right? This method really helps your brain make connection and it sticks. With MochiKanji, you can also learn kanji via mnemonics and writing. This is the new feature of the app. In the Kanji tab, you can learn each character through mnemonics along with related vocabulary. The app lets you practice kanji via stroke order with detailed introductions. I found that many learners love writing kanji. It's great! There are also plenty of courses in this section, including Joyo Kanji, perfect for anyone who wants to master the most commonly used characters. And lastly, tip 4, practice, practice, and practice. There's really no magic trick here. To remember kanji, you just have to keep using them. The more you review, the more they stick. Even if you forget a few, that's totally normal. Just keep going. The key is to make it a habit. A little bit every day is way better than cramming once a week. It's okay to start with the most common kanji. You don't have to learn everything at once. The first 300 to 500 kanji cover a huge amount of daily reading. That's already a big achievement. So, keep practicing, stay consistent, and you'll be amazed at how far you get. So, yes, kanji looks scary, but once you understand how it works, it becomes so much logical and interesting. Take it step by step. You don't have to be perfect. I'm not perfect at kanji either. Just keep going. You can totally do this. So don't forget to download MochiKanji Learn Japanese. And if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe, push like button, and see you guys in the next video. Bye! Mata ne! We got this!